Students, so now start I think previous classes completed example number I think 19 completed. So now start example number 20. Example number 20. Example number 20 is so that the function f defined by f of x is equal to mod of 1 minus x plus mod of x, where x is any real number, is a continuous function, so that this function is continuous. And check that given function is the composition of two function or not. First function is a modulus function, mod function, and second algebraic function. So this is the composition of two function. यहाँ पे mod है और algebraic function भी है, तो इसको आप convert करें टू function में. So let g of x is equal to whole term, that is 1 minus x plus mod x. यह पूरे को सपोज कर लिए g of x function, and whole mod other function is modulus function, and h of x is equal to mod x. h of x is equal to mod x. Find their composition. तो फर्स्ट क्या है, मॉडुलस फंक्शन. सो find the value of h composition g at x. Modulus function. So first type modulus value. Mod function पहले नोट करना है. h composition g at x. So by definition h of g of x, and what is the value of g of x? This is the value of g of x. So this is equal to h into 1 minus x plus mod x. This is the value of g of x. And since h of x equal to mod x, this whole is x. So h of this is equal to mod of 1 minus x plus mod x. And this is the function of f of x. This is equal to f of x, that is h composition g at x is equal to f of x. So function f of x is the composition of two function h and g. Now show that f of x is continuous at any real number c. For this we have to show that g of x is continuous at c and h of x is continuous at g of c. So let c be any real number. Let c be any point in the domain, D for domain of f of x, and domain given set of real numbers. So let c be any real number. Now since g of x is equal to 1 minus x plus mod of x, 1 minus x is a linear expression, and mod of x modulus function, that is this is the sum of two function. First is linear expression and second is modulus function. And already you know that every polynomial function and modulus function is also continuous at every point. This is a linear polynomial and this is a modulus function. We know that every polynomial function and modulus function are continuous at every real number. Every real number function is continuous, that is mod of x is continuous, and this can also written this can written mod of x function are continuous at every real number. Therefore, its sum also continuous. Therefore, 1 minus x plus mod x is a continuous function at x is equal to c. That is, g of x is continuous function at x equal to c. That is, g of x is continuous at x is equal to c. So, function is continuous. Now, so that h of x is continuous at g of c, and since g of c any real number, since the value of g of c is equal to 1 minus c plus mod of c, which is also belongs to R. So, g of c is a real number, and since h of x is equal to mod of x, and mod of x is continuous function at everywhere, and since mod of x is continuous at every real point, therefore, it is continuous at g of c, right. Therefore, it is continuous at g of c. Therefore, it is continuous at g of c. So, since h of x continuous at c, sorry, g of x is continuous at every real number, and h of x, this is h of x is continuous at g of c. Therefore, which type of function? First function, h composition g. So, h composition g is continuous at every real point by theorem 2, because g is continuous at c and h of is continuous at g of c. Therefore, h composition g is continuous and h composition g is equal to f. So, f is continuous function. F function is continuous. Now, exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1. Now, exercise 5.1. First question is, prove that the function f of x is equal to 5x minus 3 is continuous. अब दिखा दोगे फंक्शन है लीनियर, एवरी पॉइंट पे हो जाएगा कंटिन्यूस. Examine the continuity of the function this at x equal to 3, also continuous. Examine the following function for the continuity, सब सेम चेक कर लोगे. Suppose question number 3, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का थर्ड पार्ट सी, f of x is equal to x square minus 25 upon x plus 5 and given x not equal to minus 5. here given x not is equal to -5 and question is examine the following function for continuity. continuity check करनी है. point is not mentioned, तो any point suppose करें. what is the domain of this function? all the real number except -5. so let C be any real number except -5. this is the domain of this function because this function is defined for all the real value of x. so now find limit value. so limit x tending to C f of x this equal to limit x tending to C f of x value x square minus 25 upon x plus 5. this 25 can written 5 square. so this equal to limit x tending to C x square minus 5 square by x plus 5. now use identity a square minus b square, a square minus b square this equal to limit x tending to C x plus 5 into x minus 5 divided by x plus 5. this x plus 5 cancel. now put x is equal to C. so limit value is C minus 5. now find point function value. point function that is f of C. so is equal to C square minus 25 upon C plus 5. then use formula also C square minus 5 square. so a plus b into a minus b that is C plus 5 into C minus 5 upon C plus 5 cancel. so limit value point function value also C minus 5. so therefore limit x tending to C f of x is equal to f of C. so f of x is continuous function. so function is continuous and D part मॉडुलस फंक्शन mod of x minus 5 इसका टर्निंग पॉइंट पे चेक कर लोगे. 5 इज द टर्निंग पॉइंट. इफ दिस फंक्शन इज कंटिन्यूअस at x is equal to 5 then function is everywhere continuous. and fourth same question number 5. question number 5. question number 5 is f of x is equal to x, f of x is equal to x if x less equal to 1, 5 if x greater than 1. Is the function f defined by this is continuous at x is equal to 0? First you check that continuous at x is equal to 0 or not. At x is equal to 0, check that function is continuous or not. So which definition are used? At x is equal to 0. So 0 plus or 0 minus, in both cases function value same, f of x equal to x, because f of x equal to x when x less equal to 1 and this value is 5 when x greater than 1. So since 0 plus, that is slightly increasing to 0, so 0 plus also less equal to 1. So 0 plus or 0 minus, in both cases function value is only 1. So now find limit value. limit x tend into 0 f of x, this equal to limit x tend into 0, that is the value of x always less equal to 1, that is always less than 1, because your limit given x tend into 0. So, the value of x is less than 0. Put function value. What is function value? X. Now, put x is equal to 0. So, limit value is 0. Now, find point function value, that is f0. So, this is the function value when all x less than or equal to 1, that is since f of x is equal to x where x less equal to 1, therefore f0 equal to 0, limit value also 0. So, therefore, limit x tend into 0 f of x is equal to f of 0. So, f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. Now, check that at x is equal to 1, at x is equal to 1, at x is equal to 1. Here 1 is a turning point, because 1 से लेस पे फंक्शन वैल्यू क्या है x एंड ग्रेटर देन 1 पे फंक्शन वैल्यू क्या है 5. सो 1 इज द टर्निंग पॉइंट. अब यदि आपको टर्निंग पॉइंट पे चेक करनी है कंटिन्यूटी, सो फर्स्ट फाइंड LHL लिमिट देन RHL. टर्निंग पॉइंट पे चेक करना हो कंटिन्यूटी तो LHL RHL दोनों निकालेंगे. सो फाइंड LHL. LHL दैट इज limit x tend into 1 minus f of x, limit x tend into 1 minus, that is 1 से less, और 1 से less means the value of x less than 1 and less than 1 then function value x. So, put value. So, limit x tend into 1 minus f of x value is x. Now, put limit value is 1. So, LHL is 1. Now, find RHL. RHL, that is limit x tend into 1 plus, RHL means greater than 1, 1 plus, and since here x tends to 1 plus, that is just greater than 1. So, when x greater than 1, then what is the function value? 5. Function value is 5. Put function value. So, limit x tend to 1 plus f of x is 5. Now, put limit x equal to 1. No here x term. So, limit value is 5. So, LHL is equal to 1 and RHL is equal to 5. Therefore, LHL not is equal to RHL. So, f of x is not continuous at x is equal to 1. Function not continuous. Same as at x is equal to 2. Now, check that at x is equal to 2. So, at x is equal to 2, at x is equal to 2. So, 2, that is when left limit 2 minus, and 2 minus always greater than 1, always greater than 1, because x greater than 1 then function value is 5, that is constant value, and here x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 means greater than 1. So, now find direct limit value. So, limit x tend into 2 f of x. यहाँ पे LHL RHL नहीं फाइंड करना है, बिकॉज 2 इज नॉट ए टर्निंग पॉइंट. तो आप डायरेक्ट निकालोगे लिमिट वैल्यू. सो लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 2 f of x is equal to limit x tend into 2. What is f of x? f of x tend to 2, that is x greater than 1. When x greater 1, then function value is 5. So this is equal to 5. Now put x is equal to 2, know your value of x. So this limit value is 5. Now find point function value, that is, since f of x is equal to 5 for all x greater than 1, therefore f of 2 is equal to also 5, because given x के value of greater 1 put करोगे, function value given 5. So limit value is 5, function value also 5. So therefore x tends to 2, f of x is equal to f of 2. So f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2. It is continuous. Now from 6, find all points of discontinuity of f where f is defined by discontinuity, that is function is not continuous. So for discontinuity check you only turning point, किस पॉइंट पे फंक्शन के वैल्यू टर्न कर रहा है. चेक यू टर्निंग पॉइंट फंक्शन कॉन्टिन्यूअस और नॉट. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर सपोज 7th. Question number 7th is f of x is equal to mod x plus 3 if x less equal to minus 3. Second value is 2x minus 2x. If minus 3 less than x less than 3. Next value is 6x plus 2 if ax greater equal to 3. Find all point of discontinuity. So first you check that what is the turning point. Here turning point is minus 3 and 3. There are two turning points. So first you check at x equal to minus 3. Solution. Since f of x is equal to mod x plus 3 when x less than minus 3, that is x negative. So what is the value of mod x? Mod x is equal to minus x plus 3. Here x less equal to minus 3. Second value same as 2x when minus 3 less than 3, and next value is 6x plus 2 when ax greater equal to 3. So first check that at x is equal to minus 3 function continuous or not. So minus 3 is a turning point. So find LHL. LHL is equal to limit x tending to minus 3 minus f of x. This equal to limit x tending to minus 3 minus, that is less than minus 3. When less than minus 3, then function value is minus x plus 3. Now put x is equal to minus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So this is the LHL. Now find RHL. So RHL is equal to limit x tending to minus 3 plus f of x. This equal to limit x tending to minus 3 plus, what is the value of f of x? Here greater than minus 3. Minus 3 से greater, यहाँ value क्या है? minus 3 से less or equal to. Here minus 3 plus means greater than minus 3. When x greater than minus 3, then function value is minus 2x. So f of x is minus 2x. Now put x is equal to minus 3. So 2 into minus 3 is equal to 6. So both are equal. Now find function value, that is f of minus 3. So here f of x equal to minus x plus 3 when x less or equal to minus 3. So since f of x is equal to minus x plus 3 if x less or equal to minus 3, so therefore f of minus 3 is equal to minus 3 plus 3, that is also 6. So all are equal. So therefore limit x tends to minus 3 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to minus 3 plus f of x is equal to f of minus 3. So f of x is continuous at x is equal to minus 3. So what is the next turning point? Next turning point is 3. So now check that at x is equal to 3 फंक्शन कॉन्टिन्यूस और नॉट. सेम ऐसे चेक कर लोगे, आप चेक कर लेंगे l प्लस 3 लेफ्ट लिमिट राइट लिमिट फाइंड कर लोगे, तो इसका LHL फाइंड करोगे तो आ जाएगा माइनस 6x, दैट इज LHL नॉट इज इक्वल टू RHL फाइंड कर लेंगे. इसमें आप एट x इक्वल टू 3 LHL फाइंड करोगे, नॉट इज इक्वल टू आ जाएगा RHL. LHL के वैल्यू फाइंड कर लेंगे, RHL फाइंड कर लोगे, नॉट इज इक्वल टू. सो फंक्शन इज नॉट कॉन्टिन्यूअस एट x इज इक्वल टू 3, दैट इज 3 इज द पॉइंट ऑफ डिसकंटिन्यूटी. इसको आप चेक कर लोगे. थैंक यू.